Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve a long-lasting flat iron for natural haired girls. I don't have a perm, I don't have anything, so if you really want the tea, you really want to, slay for the kids, let's just get into this video. So right now I'm just assessing my hair. I'm just really trying to see my curl pattern. I just took my sew-in out. So as you can see, I have a little bit of heat damage at the top towards the front. Which is kind of expected with the sew-in with any normal person. So let's get into this video. So here I'm going to take my Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker 14-in-1. It claims to moisturize your hair, strengthen, add thermal protection, which is just what I need for that heat damage at the top. And is also non-greasy. We don't want any oils in this hair while this flat iron is in motion. And I'm going to take my ApHogee Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer. It claims to control frizz, stop split ends, protect hair color, and also corrects dryness. And I can most definitely vouch for that product right there, y'all. So right now, I'll just put my hair in 4 sections. I'm just combing it out to make sure there are no kinks, no tangles, no naps, no anything. We want the blow dryer to move straight through just to make for a smoother process while blow drying. We don't want any problems. So I have the Chi Air 2 blow dryer, and it does not come with an attachable comb. So I just had a comb from another blow dryer. I made do. Put my comb from my other blow dryer on there, and it works perfectly, and it stays on the whole time. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's perfect. So I use that, and I blow dry each section separately. I blow dry each section. I make sure I comb it out first, make sure all the kinks and coils and everything is out, so the blow dryer can just move right through. So I'm done with the blow drying process. Right now I'm just going to put my little oil concoction on my hair. It has organic coconut oil, black castor oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, grapeseed oil, all types of different oils in that little bottle. And what it does, it just helps moisturize my hair, since I'm not going to be putting any oil on my hair for about a week. My flat irons usually last for a week because I don't have a perm. So right here, I am just prepping and getting ready to section off the back of my hair. Unfortunately, I lost this clip of when I first started, but I have a cheap flat iron that matches my cheap blow dryer. I lost the clip that when I flat iron the back of my hair, so it just skips to when I get closer to the top. But right here, you're going to see me flat iron my hair. I usually clap my roots. I want to say about maybe 4 times, maybe more. So because I don't have a perm, my roots always, when I say always, I mean always, they always are the first to get frizzy and to just be unruly. She's a little unruly, okay? So now I'm just gonna clip my ends, and what I do, I usually wait till I can usually see the other side through the ends of my hair. And that's where you kind of know. And then sometimes you can actually see the split ends on the strands of the hair, and you know that she just needs to go. At that point, she needs to go. Okay? All right. So here I am, I'm just showing you guys my process. And so I said I clap my roots maybe about 4 or 5 times, maybe even more, just to make sure that my roots last. Because like I said, they're always the first to just be a little unruly. And I also use a brush instead of a rat tail comb. I mean, I use both, but I couldn't find my rat tail comb, and I prefer my brush anyway, because the brush's bristles are, I mean, you know, it's more on a brush than it is a rat tail comb, and I feel like it just makes my hair finer. It also helps with the softness of my hair, because it's like almost like I'm brushing my hair while it's flat ironing. So that's just my preference. I mean, you can do whatever you want, it's your hair, but I would rather a brush just to help my hair. So this is the finished product. This is the finished look. I decided to go with the side part. Thought I was gonna go with the middle part, but no, I decided to go with the side part. I thought it flattered my face a little more. Alright, thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Thank you guys for watching to the end of the video. I just want to ask you guys to subscribe, like, comment, do all of that, every single last bit of that. Please comment down below if you want me to make more videos on my hair. I am going to be recoloring my hair very soon. I'm going to be doing more styles, more natural hair tutorials, makeup tutorials. I'm doing all of that. So don't forget to follow me on my social media, my Twitter, my Snapchat, my Instagram. Don't forget to check out my artist page, Kayla. Thank you guys. Bye.